Okay, today's topic is quite different and it's going to be on how do we communicate in an aircraft. Have you ever wondered how we communicate? Because phones are not allowed there and there is no reception of signal up at 35,000 feet above ground. So, what we use is we use radio communication. We use high and very high frequencies, and we basically do a process called modulation. In modulation, we superimpose an base signal, our audio frequency, audio wave that is converted into an audio frequency, amplified, and then it is superimposed on a radio wave, a radio frequency, and then that is transmitted, which is then received by an receiver antenna, that is then demodulated and decoded. There are different type of modulation. Amplitude modulation is a modulation in which we alter the amplitude of the carrier wave in correspondence to the base signal, and in frequency modulation we alter the frequency of the carrier wave in correspondence to the base signal while keeping the amplitude same. So this is quite fascinating technology we came across. And uh, you know there are some pros and cons of this. We use different frequency depending on different situations. Some frequency works better in some conditions, some in other. For example, uh, of amplitude modulation, there are two sidebands produced. We transmit double sidebands when we want an stronger signal, but the range will be less. And when we are fine with the weaker signal, but we want the range to be much more, we just use a single sideband. We just transmit a single sideband.